adlaw sa tanan. I'm Muhammad Khalid Quibranza Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte. I'd like to congratulate my sister, Siti Amina, of the 2nd District for a very successful triathlon last weekend. The second leg of La Norte Man sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty in the municipality of Sultan Naga Dimaporo. We hope to promote Lanao del Norte in the same fashion that we've always had by inviting as many guests as possible through competitive sports programs such as the La Norte Man Triathlon Series that me and Congresswoman Siti Amina Dimaporo are continuing on an annual basis. So I'd like to thank again foremost my Uncle Moy, Mayor Mutalib, Vice Mayor Ulwan Dimaporo, and the barangay captains, the Tri-SND Barracuda family. Daghan salamat sa inyong suporta, daghan salamat sa inyong tanan. See you in the next La Norte Man.